Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Synchrony to enroll in online statements step by step clearly. Visit the Synchrony website. Locate the enroll or sign up option on the home page. Click on the option to begin the enrollment process. You will be directed to a new page. Enter your account number in the designated field. Provide the last 4 digits of your social security number. Input your date of birth in the format requested. Click on the Continue button to proceed. Follow any additional prompts for account verification. Review the information you have entered for accuracy. Complete any security questions if prompted. Once confirmed, you will be taken to the enrollment page. Choose the option for online statements. Review the terms and conditions for online statements. Agree to the terms by checking the appropriate box. Click on the Enroll button to finalize your enrollment. You will receive a confirmation message upon successful enrollment. Access your online statements through your account dashboard moving forward. Ensure your email preferences are updated to receive notifications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.